Okay, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to model a material shader ball in Maya 2022, just like this one. So let's get started. Take a polygon sphere, rotate the sphere 90 degree along z-axis. Go to face selection mode, select this face, shift double click, click extrude, type local translate G minus 0.08. Go to top view, select the other half face, press delete, go to object mode. See, this is x-axis, so mirroring should be done minus x-axis. Go to mesh, open mirror option, select mirror direction minus and axis x, click mirror. Now go to vertex selection mode, select all the vertices, click merge. Again go to perspective view, again face selection mode, select this face, shift double click this one, shift double click this one, shift double click. Click on this icon, circularize. This will circularize your face. Again click extrude, type local translate G minus 0.1. Scale tool, scale your face slightly, just like this one. And delete the face. Take another polygon sphere and scale the sphere as shown. Rotate the sphere 90 degree along z-axis. Select the two sphere, press Ctrl plus Z to create a group and rename the group as ball. Hide the ball. Take a polygon cylinder, type cylinder radius 2.3. Subdivision caps, type here 6. Go to side view. Face selection mode, select this face, press delete. Go to object mode, modify center pivot and snap this one at the center of your grid. Go to top view, face selection mode, select this face, press delete. This face, shift double click and delete the face. Go to perspective view, select this face, shift double click, delete. Now select this face, shift double click, click extrude, offset type here 0.08. Again click extrude, move the face up just here, division type 6. Again select this face, shift double click and also this one, click extrude and extrude up slightly. Increase the division to 4. Go to object mode, take another polygon cylinder, again go to top view, turn on wireframe on shaded mode and scale your cylinder just like this. Increase the subdivision caps to 12. Again go to face selection mode, select this face, shift double click, go to select, click inverse, press delete, modify center pivot, move, turn on X-ray mode, move this one down just here. Again click extrude, move this one here, increase the division. Go to object mode, take another cylinder, type subdivision axis to 6. go to side view, face selection mode, select the bottom face and delete. Select this one, go to top view, modify center pivot and scale slightly. Again go to face selection mode, select this face and delete the face. Select this face, go to select, again click inverse and delete the face. Object mode, move the face down just here. Turn on wireframe on shaded mode. Go to vertex selection mode. Select this vertex. Shift double click. Move the vertex up just here. Select this vertex. Shift double click. Move the vertex up just here. Again go to top view. Select this one. Again go to perspective view. Click extrude and extrude them just like this. Division type here 2. Go to object mode, mesh display, click reverse. Again go to top view, press Ctrl+D to duplicate and move this one here or rotate this one here. Press Shift+D to duplicate special. Now go to perspective view. Select this 4 object. Go to mesh, click combine. Go to face selection mode. Select this face. Shift double click. This face. Shift double click and delete. Go to edge selection mode. Select this edge. Shift double click. This edge. Shift double click. Go to edit mesh, click bridge. Increase the division. Do the same for the rest of the hole. Go to object mode, take a polygon cone, radius 0.55 and subdivision height type here 14. Go to side view, turn off the X-ray mode, go to vertex selection mode, select this vertex and scale them just like this. Unhide your ball. Move the ball slightly down. Just here. Now select all. Press Ctrl+Z to create a group and rename the group as shader. In this process, you can create material shader ball in Maya 2022. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.